Hello everyone, my name is Araya McCart, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever had to write an essay or any other paper that requires you to have an in-text citation as well as a references page, specifically in MLA, APA, Chicago format, any of those popular formats? Well, I have got the perfect hack for you, especially if you can't quite remember to correctly cite your sources all the time. So I have here a MLA cited document that I wrote not too long ago for a class, and here I have my references page here. The hack that I'm going to show you is how to make Word do the work for you. So let's go ahead and open up a new document, navigate to the References tab, the Citations and Bibliography tab, go to the Insert Citation drop-down arrow, and select Add a New Source. Since we're going to use a book section for this example, we're going to go ahead and stick with that. Let's go ahead and add in the essential information. Go ahead and enter those in again for the sake of time. We're going to do copy paste. Oops, there we go. And I'm telling you, no English teacher will teach you this hack. I actually learned this in CS 101. So if you want to display more information than this, and this is your in-text citation right here, go ahead and go to the citation in the nested control, select the drop-down arrow in the control, and select Edit Citation. And say you want to cite page 50. Go ahead and type your page number, and there you go. There's your in-text citation. Now, to go for the references page or the works cited page, we're going to go ahead and after giving a different page, we're going to go over and come back to references, citations and bibliography group, select the bibliography drop-down arrow, and select whichever one is appropriate, works cited, references, or bibliography. And that's for the hack, you guys. Go ahead and check out my CyberGeek website for more content like this. CyberGeek now has its own channel, so I'll be posting all of my tech content here. And of course, most if not all my content gets posted on my CyberGeek Facebook page. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.